Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back with another video. On today's episode, we cooking some shrimp. But we cooking some jumbo shrimp, you feel me? About to get right, you feel me? It's the first episode of Cooking with Lawrence. I might make a few more of these, I don't know. About to get everything prepped and ready. First off, you just wanna get some and descale your shrimp. You know what I mean? I'm pretty sure they probably already descaled mine, but it's whatever. You wanna throw your shrimp into a bowl. Throw them holes in the bowl and slap some lemon juice in there. You always want to clean your meat. Preferably, I'm gonna put 7 in there. God damn, some of these shrimps fucked up. You want to slap your shrimp with some lemon juice or some vinegar juice. You just want to start, you know. Preferably, we like to use this. You know. Oh. Marinate that bit with the lemon juice. You feel me? Wishy-wash. Move that bit around, you feel me? Let that sit for about 5-10 minutes. And while we over here, let's get the seasoning. So you wanna get your seasonings ready. Preferably, you feel me? You gotta, oh shit, oh! You gotta get some of the Old Bay in there. You might gotta slot some of the parsley, you feel me? I don't know if y'all personally like using parsley. Gotta add the garlic powder. You gotta add the onion powder, you feel me? Oh yeah, for sure. Y'all need to grab y'all some of this right here. Some of the complete seasoning. Get you some all-purpose flour. See that? I think I use a little too much of that, but it's whatever, I like it. Slap some of this in there, that Old Bay. That Old Bay. Slap all the seasoning in there, you feel me? God damn. Slap all the seasoning in there, you feel me? Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Season that hoe. Alright. Slap some of this in there. Gotta have the parsley in there. Surprisingly, I seen a lot of like Japanese people use panko breadcrumbs. So I was just thinking to myself, feel me? I was thinking to myself, like, damn, I should use some panko breadcrumbs. All right, now let's get back into it a bit. That onion powder. Don't forget the best of them all, the complete seasoning. Sponsor me, complete seasoning. Mix that bit up. Smell like greatness. Gonna smack some eggs in one bowl. Oh shit. It's straight. And then fucking smack another egg. Probably using 2. I could have used 1 probably. Slide some panko breadcrumbs in the other one. You feel me? That bit very seasoned by itself. Yeah, we fuck with the panko breadcrumbs. Italian seasoning. Creme de la creme. Whisk the eggs up. Slap. Now I'm about to bring everything over here for y'all to see. For y'all to witness this perfection. For y'all to witness. I'm using a handy dandy gimbal right now. I really got no camera, man. You feel me? So what you want to do, you want to grab one of these. Slap it in the egg solution. Might as well dip the whole thing in that bitch. Grab some of this, slap it over here. Throw that bit round. Don't be afraid. Damn, I still got another plate for this, to be honest. Slap it back in. And then slap some breadcrumbs in that hole. Can't tell me this don't look nice and right, nice and tight, nice and juicy. And make sure, probably use gloves or something, because this will stick to your hand like a bit. I got this one guy who's been fucking with my channel for a long time. Usually he comes in normally. You feel me? Checks in. But he has a cooking channel. You feel me? I want y'all to try this recipe too. You feel me? probably right there. That's what it look like. I feel like it's straight. I'm pretty sure it's gonna taste good, but you know, after all this, y'all wanna make sure y'all clean up, you feel me? About to get the pan ready. Then we got some olive oil we're about to use. Not finna just use occasional butter. Yes, sir. Get you some extra virgin olive oil. Now, a lot of people say don't use extra virgin olive oil because it's supposedly it's flammable, but you can still cook with it, you feel me? It's the same with like cup noodles. Feel me? They tell you not to put cup noodles in the microwave. What you do, you still put them in the microwave. When I heat up, I'm gonna go clean some of these dishes. Damn, but I really be wanting to vlog, you feel me? I don't be having nothing to do though. After COVID hit, 2020 just got a little boring. But you know, for those who actually watch this video, you know, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. Leave a thumbs up. And one more thing, you should never leave your food unsupervised. You could potentially kill somebody or yourself. Got my clean bowl right here. Just slap some water in there. Get that big rumble tumbler. Oh! That's the heart for some of y'all that don't know. That's my love for y'all. And then y'all might want to go ahead and slap some butter in there, to be honest. When they turn golden brown, you feel me? That's just, you know what I mean? Cook them for like 15, 20 minutes. You know, I'm black. I like to cook my shit, you know, all the way through. Now, you know, while I'm cooking, I'm thinking these panko crumbs might be a little too excessive. Just make sure they come out golden brown. Or a little, you know what I mean? They ain't gotta be perfect, but now make sure them hoes come out nice and right, nice and tight. A little something, nothing too serious. Beautiful. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see that. Maybe I can see shrimpy right there. This one should be nice and right. This dude over here. Look. You feel me? About to give y'all a little review. I'ma rate it 1 out of 10, you feel me? Now I don't know if I should start with a breaded one or a naked one. They all sit here in the pot. Like, see, they not gonna all come out perfect like this one. This one a little like too dark brown, you feel me? But I mean, it's straight. I'm about to try some of these. That's an A+ right there. That's a 10 out of 10. Mark, get out my frame, man. I got 30. Very successful. This shit smack as fuck. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like, this is probably some of the best shrimp I've ever had in my life. Oh my God, there's so much flavor. I think I did something. But anyways, thanks for watching the video. I'll get to you guys with another cooking video if y'all fuck with this one. Try shrimp for the cam. So what it tastes like?
Not good.
I told you. Give me your honest opinion. It tastes what? It tastes good. On a scale of 1 to 10. Scale of 1 to 10. Yeah, it did taste better than what you thought. Exactly. Feel me? I got the reviews.